my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a beautiful Jeulia box unboxing. Hi! Okay, I am so excited about this box. I am really excited about this company. So if you watch me, then you know a few years ago, my engagement ring at my very first race, my very first running race, the diamond fell out. And I was very disappointed about that. And my husband offered many times, has offered many times to replace it. Well, I don't want to spend the type of money it takes to replace a wedding band or an engagement band. I just really didn't want to do it. And I told him, I said, you know, maybe someday, but just realistically right now, I'm just not interested in investing in a piece of jewelry. I really like costume jewelry, but I like nice quality costume jewelry. My whole collection of jewelry, other than a very few pieces, 2 pieces, maybe 3, are costume jewelry. However, in wearing costume jewelry, I've discovered I have a little bit of an allergy to a lot of it. I don't know what's in it. It depends upon the piece. Is it nickel? I don't know what's in it, but that aggravates my skin. Recently, I picked up a little engagement band to wear with my wedding ring, and it irritated my skin. It's looking considerably better now, but you can see what it did to me. So I had been perusing different jewelry sites looking for an engagement ring. The problem is my wedding set is gold, and many of the sites that you can go to these days, wedding sets are silver or platinum, or they're silver in color. So I was really excited when I discovered on Jeulia's site that they actually had not only gold, but gold and silver sets, which is really what I was looking for because my watch is silver. I wear gold and silver jewelry all the time. So I wanted to be able to kind of mix it up a little bit. Well, I registered for their site and everything like that. And while I was looking, I received an email, and I guess they discovered I had a YouTube channel. I'm not sure, but they asked me if I wanted to do a review for them. And I was like, absolutely, for sure, I'd be happy to. Can you give my viewers a discount? So they did, they offered a discount. So I'm really excited about this. So first of all, it's their 5-year anniversary. They've been around for a long time. I've been reading the reviews on the website. I'm pleased with this company. I'm very pleased with this company. So with every order, you're gonna get a free set of little earrings to go with your order. And with my code, I'm gonna leave everything linked for you in the description box. You can get 15% off your order, which I think is fantastic. The prices on here are reasonable. We're gonna go through, I'm gonna show you some of my favorites after I show you what's in this box. Every day, for every order, you'll get 10 customers a day are randomly selected to receive their order for free. 10 customers a day are randomly selected to receive a free watch. And as it is their anniversary, they're having a flash sale. So you might want to check that out. So I will leave that for you in the description box. But in the meantime, let's quickly get into this. I'm so excited. Now, it's important for you to note that there is a tag on the ring. Do not take that tag off unless you're 100% sure you're going to keep the ring. If you're going to exchange it, then you need to leave that tag on, and it is free shipping. So it comes with a little gift bag and the instructions about removing the tag, and they have a rewards program. So if you join the rewards program, it is free shipping, no minimum, points for purchase, return shipping free reimbursements, and priority service and birthday gift credit. So that information is on the website. Thank you for your purchase. So yes, it is a 15% off order. And then when you place your order, your first order, you get a nice hefty coupon in the box. That's nice, I appreciate that. And then it will come with a little catalog with some of the items that they have. Okay, I know, let's get into this box. There we go, so excited. Should we do the wedding set first, or should we do, I think we're gonna do we'll save the wedding set for second, okay? I fell in love with this ring. I absolutely fell in love with this ring. You guys know I travel a lot. I have daisy earrings and a daisy necklace, and I love it. I think it's so pretty, so I wanted a matching ring. Look, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of here. I just wanted to show it to you in the box. Now, this is the tag that she's talking about. So let's slip this on. This is in a size 5.5. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. And it won't irritate my skin. It is sterling silver and so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Okay, this is coming to Nashville with me. I love the little flowers. You can take this ring in. It's a fall piece, right? Not just for summer, but for fall. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. It's very comfortable on my finger. Absolutely love that. Okay, now let's look at the wedding set. Oh, I'm so excited. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I really appreciate that Jeulia is available in very small sizes. I have very small fingers, and often it's hard for me to find jewelry that fits my fingers. So this is in a size 5. Now it's a hair too big for me, but that's okay. I'm gonna slide it. I normally wear 4.5 on this finger. That was my error. I misordered the size, totally me. Something I would do. So since this is sterling silver, it's not gonna irritate my skin. So I'm gonna take my wedding ring off, and I have an anniversary band here that my husband gave me. So I'm gonna slide this one in first. Oh, look, it's so pretty, and it matches beautifully. Look. Isn't that beautiful? It matches the set perfectly, and it has the silver filigree in there. I love that silver filigree. I love that. Oh my goodness, absolutely love it. It's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Now, for the days that I am maybe in port and I don't want such a large piece on my finger, I can take this off, and since it came with a second band. Now, it matches the set perfectly. So if I want a little extra sparkle, I'll just slip that one on, and see it's raised ever so slightly above my regular set to kind of make it stand out. I love it. This was just absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna take off my wedding set completely so that you can see just the Jeulia pieces together. My gosh, that's stunning. You guys, that is just absolutely stunning. I love it. I absolutely love it. So pretty, fits so comfortably. Like I said, it's a little big on me, but that's okay. When you're walking around, your hands swell up anyway. So, oh, I just think it's so, so pretty. It's fantastic quality. It's got some weight to it. It doesn't have any rough edges. It feels very soft, very well made. I love the diamonds down the side, or the faux diamonds, and the filigree here in the middle with the silver. I absolutely love that. Absolutely love that. Okay, so let me slip it on the way I'm going to wear it. I'm going to put my anniversary band there, and then I'm pulling this off, and then slide it right in there. And there we go. Love it. Absolutely love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it is so beautiful. Perfect. I love that cut of diamond. I just think it's beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. My husband loves it too. He thinks it's gorgeous. So he sat there with me when we were looking through, trying to find the right one, because it was important to me that he loved it as well. So, oh my goodness, I am so excited. I absolutely love this. Yay. Okay, now let's go peruse the website, shall we? I wanted to show you a few of the pieces that they have available that speak to me. All right, so when you first arrive at their website, you can see they're advertising currently about their 5th anniversary sale. Oh, look at those pieces right there on the front. Oh, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Absolutely love it. But you can see there's a lot of pieces that are all silver. Oh, look at that engagement ring. Oh, but that's what I did. You see the bridal set here on the front? Do you see that? It's gold and silver. I so appreciate that. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Now, here are their bridal sets. Let's clear this. Look, they have rose gold, they have silver. You see those two pieces that slide apart? That is so unique and so pretty. Look at this one for $165. The anniversary, it's so, so pretty. But you can see they have several sets to choose from. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. But look at all the different necklaces. How sweet is that one? Oh, and you can choose your stones. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at all of these. Oh, they're so beautiful. All right, they also have bracelets. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I am definitely going to have to peruse the bracelets. Oh, I love them. So many choices. So many choices. They also have charms, and this is something I just discovered. Look at these charm bracelets. They're so cute. Look, they have animals, family and friends. I absolutely love them. Look at the puppy dog. You can have your dog's picture put on there. Oh, I am for sure going to be checking out the charms. Oh, I love them. They're so cute. All right, so, and just a real quick peek, we'll look at the sales section so you can see they have a very large sales section. Many things are on sale. Like I said, it's sterling silver. It's just beautiful. Ladies, let your men give you something like this as your wedding set. I mean, I think I'd rather spend more on the honeymoon. I mean, I don't know. Or maybe you want something like this to wear in lieu of your beautiful, expensive set when you're traveling or when you're just around and about at home or something like that. I don't know. I absolutely love it. I really, really love it. And I don't have to worry. This piece I'm saving for Nashville. I'm very excited about it. I love it. I think it's perfect for the fall. I am very, very excited. All right, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll go check out Jeulia because I am shopping for some more pieces and I'm very excited to bring them and wear them and enjoy them. I like that they're a little bit nicer of a quality, so I really appreciate that, but it's still not really expensive jewelry. I appreciate that. All right, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.